Welcome to all from Fabric and welcome to this new lesson about the new on setting of cookie policy and installation plugins WordPress for cookie policy. I have written this article on in my language, that it is Italian, and you can easily translate with the plugins on the right of my site. On your language, I use English. Okay. You can find this article to this address www.nordsolution.net, the date and the title of the permalink that you can see here. So we go to start. We come now to talk to you about cookies and the privacy policy that you basically have to apply to make your site in order and fundamentally now to face penalty and of any kind. We tell you about as the main legislation was introduced on 2015 and we revised on